Aside from your atomizer, we need a portable power source to complete our device. Atomizers connect to mods by means of the 510 connection. Just like atomizers, mods come in many types as well. Each has its own pros and cons ranging from power to form factor. Let's begin with the simplest and most common, the mechanical tube mod. A mechanical tube mod works pretty much like how it looks. A flashlight. A battery is inserted into the chamber. Connect an atomizer to it. And we're done. Another type of device is the box mod. Some box mods stack 2 or more batteries in them for more power or longer lasting vape time. Box mods come in regulated and unregulated. Regulated box mods has a chip inside that regulates the mod, hence its name. While the unregulated mod is exactly the opposite, without the added circuitry inside. We will get to the regulated device later. For now, let's talk about the simpler, unregulated device. There are 2 types of unregulated box mods, mechanical and non-mechanical. Mechanical in this particular application means that the body completes the circuit. Your basic circuit looks like this. If the circuit is incomplete, or if there is no battery present, energy is not transferred to our heating element. In an unregulated box mod, a set of internal wires are present to connect the batteries to the 510 connection to the power switch. So again, the difference is that this mod uses wires inside to complete our basic circuit, while the body of the mechanical version is the circuit. Looking back at the mechanical tube mod, this item also follows the same principle of the body completing its own circuit. Regulated devices have many interesting advantages over non-regulated devices. Generally, all chip-regulated devices are adjustable in its power setting, allowing you to adjust for a milder vape or more intense vapor. The chip inside of regulated devices also monitors your settings and battery usage. It knows what the battery can and cannot handle, and it knows when to cut you off and request a fresh charge. There is also no battery sag when using regulated devices. What is battery sag? It's simply the nature of how a battery is used or discharged. Looking at a line graph curve, it's a lot like how a light bulb gets dimmer as the battery gets weaker. You will have the exact same experience in your vapor production as your battery is drained. A regulated device will attempt to regulate this sag, giving you a balanced vape from your first inhale until the power cuts off. So why do folks still use unregulated devices? Chips sound so much better. It is all about the signals. Signals? No, energy signals. Energy signals come in analog and digital forms. The analog signal given off by unregulated devices is the smoothest, most natural current. Having a more constant signal will grant a smoother experience, while regulated devices can only attempt to mimic this digitally. There are some chips these days that come close to an analog signal, but it's not perfect. So while there is sag using unregulated analog devices, for the time where it is going strong, the experience is much smoother compared to a regulated device. Regulated devices also come in 2 form factors. So no matter which mod you choose, there is a device for every criteria. This concludes our lesson. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next. For more classes, tutorials, and knowledge on vaping, please click the banner and visit PegasusVaporAcademy.com.